You are so beautiful. Ti jobor chuna osot. So means jobor, beautiful means chuna. So it will be ti jobor chuna osot. I repeat, ti jobor chuna osot. Hamajanilu, namaskar. Here I am Tapati Singh from Nungshipi Imar Phiral. Again, I have come up with a new video on learning Bishnupriya Manipuri. Today I am going to share some more commonly used words and sentences using those words such as beautiful, build, several times, kharor ho, visit, etc. etc. Now, I am going to share some sentences using these words such as I have not quarreled with you. I have not quarreled. Me naula gesu. Me kouli naula gesu. Quarrel means kouli lagani. Me kouli naula gesu. With you. Tor loge. You means tor. With means loge. So it will be me tor loge kouli naula gesu. They have built a new house. The second sentence. They have built Tanu Hongkoresi a new house. New means Nua, house means Gor, A means Ago. So it will be Tanu Nua Gor Ago Hongkoresi. They have built a new house. Tanu Nua Gor Ago Hongkoresi. I repeat, Tanu Nua Gor Ago Hongkoresi. I have visited Unokuti several times. I have visited me Chanat Gesuga. Unokuti. Unokuti actually is a famous pilgrimage situated in North Tripura. Okay, so I have visited Unokuti several times. Me several times means kotto khurum. Several times means kotto khurum. Me kotto khurum Unokuti chanat gesuga. In this sentence, subject is me, I. I have visited me chanat gesuga. Here, I is subject. Then we say the last one. Kotto khurum. Here, the last word several times. Kotto khurum. Then the second last, unokuti. Me kotto khurum unokuti. Then the verb chanat gesuga. Me kotto khurum unokuti chanat gesuga. I have visited Unokuti several times. The next sentence. Where to go now? Where means kurang. To go now. To go means jana. Now means ebaka. So it will be where to go now means ebaka kurang jitangaiga. Ebaka kurang jitangaiga. The next sentence. She has studied Bishnupriya Manipuri for 1 year. She has studied. Tei tam korese Bishnupriya Manipuri for 1 year. Bosorahan. So it will be tei, subject, she, tei. The last, for 1 year, tei bosorahan Bishnupriya Manipuri, second last, then the verb. Tei bosorahan Bishnupriya Manipuri tam korese. I repeat, tei bosorahan Bishnupriya Manipuri tam korese. The next sentence. Have we met before? Have we met before? Before means age. Meet, the past participle met. Okay, so meet means deha. Have we met? We means amarta. Have we met amarta? Deha usil thang. We have met. Amarta dehausil. Have we met? Amarta dehausil thang. Before means age. So it will be Amarta age dehausil thang. Amarta age dehausil thang. Are you going to the market? The next sentence. Are you going to the market? Ti bajare jarga thang. Going means jana. To the market, bajare. You means ti. Are you going to the market? Ti bajare jarga thang. Yes, I'm going. Hi, yes means hi. I'm going. Me, jauri gata. I am going. Me, jauri gata. Then, please wait. I'll come with you. Then means utaile. Please wait. Khanikko basane. Please basane. Request. Please wait. Khanikko basane. I'll come with you. Me tor loge ahito. I'll come. Me ahito. With you. Tor loge. I'll come with you. Me tor loge ahito. Next sentence. Have you been to this place before? Have you been means ti ahesotta. To this place. Place means farm. To this place. Ere phame hanat. This means ere. To this place. Ere phame hanat. Before means age. So it will be ti age ere phame hanat. Ahesotta. Have you been to this place before? Ti age ere phame hanat. Ahesotta. I repeat. Ti age ere phame hanat. Ahesotta. Yes, I have been to this place before. Yes means hi. I have been. Me ahesu. To this place. Ere phame hanat. Before means age. So it will be me age ere phame hanat ahesu. Hi, me age ere phame hanat ahesu. The next sentence. Have you ever tasted kharor ho? Have you ever tasted? Taste means khasotta. Have you ever tasted? Ti kumbakau kharor ho khasotta. Kharor ho. It's a traditional cuisine of Bishnupriya Manipuri. Have you ever tasted kharor ho? Ti age kumbakau kharor ho khasotta. Yes, I have tasted it. Hi, me age khasu. It's delicious. Kharor ho jobor hwat. Kharor ho jobor hwat. Let me conclude today. I hope you are learning Bishnupriya